In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Notion Master Calendar database with Google Calendar using an automation tool. To get started, open Google Chrome and go into Notion. Once you're there, select your Master Calendar database. This is the main calendar you want to keep in sync. So take a moment to make sure you've opened the correct one before moving forward. If your database contains multiple date properties or different views, it helps to quickly confirm which fields you actually use for scheduling, because those will matter during setup. Next, sign in to a syncing tool such as Zapier or Make. Either platform can handle this kind of automation, and the general setup process is very similar in both. The goal here is to create a connection between Notion and Google Calendar so information can move smoothly between the two systems. If you're already logged in, you can go straight into creating or opening a workflow for this sync. After that, connect both your Notion account and your Google Calendar account inside the automation tool. During this step, you'll usually be asked to approve permissions so the tool can read and update data in each app. Be sure to allow access to the correct Notion workspace and the correct Google Calendar, especially if you manage more than one. Choosing the right calendar now can prevent confusion later and helps ensure events appear exactly where you expect them to. Once both accounts are connected, map the event information between the two platforms. This means matching the event title in Google Calendar with the appropriate title field in your Notion database, and doing the same for the event date, start time, and end time if available. Accurate field mapping is important because it tells the automation where each piece of information belongs. If the date and time properties in Notion are combined into a single field, double check that the sync tool interprets them correctly. Finally, enable two-way synchronization. This is what allows updates made in Notion to appear in Google Calendar and changes made in Google Calendar to sync back into Notion. Before relying on it fully, it's a good idea to review the setup carefully so the titles, dates, and times are aligned the way you want. Once everything looks correct, turn the sync on, and that's it. You now